Hello everybody, today we are playing the Rake remastered. So, yeah, we're playing this game, like a horror game. Pretty fun. I played this game before, and it is amazing. What the heck?
Okay, guys.
The microphone's on.
Oh, we
so
are
we're playing the Rake remastered, a horror game. Whoa, that is a really scary drawing.
What?
Why did I say fork? I didn't fart. Okay, where am I? Let's play that game. Okay. Yeah, ba-da-ba-da-ba-doo-bin. Oh no! Oh man, that was okay, that better not happen again. Dude, that was insane. Dude, I spawned right where the rake was. Dude, I saw some light flashing. What the heck was that? Shinarsh. And I know Shinarsh. Okay, what if I just stayed here the entire round? Because I feel like this is the only safe spot in the entire game. Because, like... This is like the second time. What the heck? That thing's... Whoa. That thing is spooky, and I don't like that. I'm gonna tell my trusted adult because I don't feel safe around that creature. Whoa. Someone, help. No, come back. Person, who are you? Actually, like, who is that person? Why are they blue? Well, I mean, I'm blue. I don't have any right to say that. Oh, well, there it is again. I don't know where it is. It made that weird screeching noise. If I die again, then I'm gonna leave this game. Jeez, so many people are being slain. They're not slain. Why did they say that? Okay. What's this? This is where I last died. I'm getting away. I'm out. Peace. I'm going closer to it. Or is it getting closer to me? Should I stay here? If I just turn off my flashlight. What the heck? My keyboard's acting really weird. Hi. Oh, he's probably looking at me weird because my skin's blue. But stop looking at me like that. So what if my skin's blue? Yeah, how do we get up there, bro? Okay. What? Okay. Okay. Spin around the world. He also might be like a bit disturbed by my avatar. Oh my god. Make sure to like and subscribe. This is the end of the video. Bye-bye.